So this is a really quick video to show you how to download something from Pixelart into processing. And I haven't started with any processing code, so this is what it would look like if it was fresh. You can also use this example to add it to code that you already have. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my picture. And then I'm going to click download. It should say what the width and the height are. Looks good. I'm going to click download. Now, you'll see that I have two pictures already downloaded. I'm going to click on the little arrow and choose Show in Folder. Then I'm going to right-click and choose Rename. And I'm going to call this Player. If I have a Player A, you could choose that. If I have Player 1, you could choose that. For mine, I'm just going to call it Player. Alright, now I'm going to go into Processing, and I'm going to add my image. So I'm going to go to Sketch, Add File, and I have to do this to find my file. So I know where my file is. It's in my downloads. You'll have to know exactly where it is on your computer, and if you need help with that, maybe find a parent or somebody in your household who can help you with that. So I've added my picture. Alright, I'm going to do def setup, add a size, oops, and then def draw, and now I want to bring my picture into my drawing. So I'm going to say player image equals load image. Now there are several ways you could have done this, but I'll do it this way. Player.png is the name of the file. Then I'm going to tell it where to show up on the screen. So I'm going to say image, maybe 200, 100, and it's 100 wide and 100 tall. And I just realized I forgot something. So don't forget to add in which image you want it to show at the beginning. Alright, when I push play, let's make sure that works. And there it is. Now, if you were trying to make this move, you could replace one of these with a variable. So, for example, in our racer game, this might be player AY or player 1Y, depending on your class. And then you have other code that would make player 1 or player AY move. If you have other questions, feel free to ask your teacher.